This video is about the previous crypto word of the day's payment proof and how to redeem it. Let's get started. First of all, open your Binance app and tap on your profile. Now click on the Rewards Hub button. You will see that you have received the USDT reward. Click here to use the voucher. Next, you can see your USDT rewards in your spot wallet. If you missed it, watch the video for new WOTD answers and get rewards after 1 week. Users with 5 wins will be eligible to share a 5,000 USDT rewards pool. Thanks for watching the video.